Hi, welcome to J Talk. I'm Josna Cardoza, and today I'll be talking about generative AI. Let us first understand what is generative AI. Generative AI refers to systems that learn from data and creates new original content that resembles the data it was trained on. It's named generative AI because it generates new content. For example, ChatGPT, giving you answers to your questions or writing stories. Most of the AIs before generative AI were focused on making predictions. But generative AI, it creates. It's different. It's the leap from predicting outcomes to generating new possibilities. The model that works underneath this generative AI studies the huge data sets, which could be text, images, or audio. It then learns the patterns. Till here, it sounds similar to like any other machine learning models. Here is what makes it different. When the model learns the patterns, it doesn't memorize it. Instead, it learns the probability of sequences. Let's say, for example, salt and pepper. This sounds more likely than salt and garam masala. So that's why, if you have noticed, if you ask the same question more than once, the GPT doesn't give you a static response. The content may remain same, but its response changes even though the question remains the same. Once it learns the probability, it can then generate new content like text, image, or audio by sampling from these learned probabilities. It's like, let's say you have been cooking for a while, and now you can cook something new on your own from your experience. There are different types of generative models. The large language models, or we call them as LLMs, which are used for generating text. Then we have diffusion models, which generates the images. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, which generates realistic photos. Audio models to generate speech or music. Then we have multimodal models that generates combination of all of these. Generative AI is very powerful because it's creative, productive, and innovative. Currently, it also has challenges like bias, hallucination, and ethics. But hopefully, in future, we will have generative AIs free of all these challenges. Generative AI gives the machine power to imagine, just like we humans do. It's changing how humans and machines collaborate with each other. Now it's humans who come up with idea and use machines to implement those ideas. In the near future, the roles might reverse. Machines could generate ideas and we will just be, executing them. In fact, it's already happening. We are turning to GPTs for ideas and solutions, etc. We should definitely be using machine power. However, we also need to ensure that we do not lose our own skills in this process. After all, humans are creatures of habit. If you do not practice your skills for a while, it starts to fade out. Do you need calculator for even the easy maths? I used to remember all my relatives' phone numbers as a kid. Mobile phone numbers, landline numbers. when mobiles weren't accessible for us. Now, even remembering my debit card PIN seems like a struggle because I know my bank app stores it for me. Whenever I need it, I just need to log in and get it in seconds. So, the key is balance. We should use the power of AI without losing the power of our own minds. I hope you found today's talk useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next talk.